Hello everyone! Great job finding the practice video for our holiday music. This song, this practice session is Greensleeves. Okay, I have the fingers on the board here. Each note is held for 3 counts. It's a dotted half note. Okay, makes it really easy for you to remember. Each note is held for 3 counts. Okay, this song is in 3/4, that means it counts in 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You guys, if you're playing this harmony comes in on 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you'll come in on 1. So the conductor will go 1, 2, 3, then you come in on 1. 1, 2, 3, come in. Okay, the melody will come in on 3. Okay, they're gonna go 1, 2, ba da da da. Okay, and you guys come in on 1, 1, 2, ba da, right there. 1, 2, 3, ba, 1 on A. Okay, let's start. Let's play it. Ready? Check your posture. Zip, step. Find your first note. Finger first. 1 on A. Okay. Check your bow hold. Bumpy thumb. Curly pinky. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready, play. 1, 1. A. 3 on D. 3, 2, 3. 1, 2. 2 on D. 1, 2. 1 on A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Open A. 3 on D. 2 on D. 1 on A. Open A. This is the 3rd line. A, 3 on D. 2 on D. Last line, open A. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 on D. 2 on D. 1 on A. Make sure you play 1 on A and not 1 on D. I have a lot of friends that get tricked and want to play 1 on D at the end. Notice how I wrote different colors, festive colors. Green is on the A string, and red is on, can you guess it? The D string. Great job practicing. Go ahead and play the video again and again and again until you get it down. Try to memorize this harmony part. Okay, see if you can memorize it. I'd be so impressed if you can memorize it. Thank you for practicing. I'll see you in the next one.